I needed an ERP fit for a world-class factory of the future. Syspro was the clear winner. I'm Patrick Bonner, Managing Director of Bonner. We recently worked with a consortium of Irish businesses led by ABB for a project backed by the Irish government to build a world-class manufacturing facility. We worked with the most innovative machine builders in the country, the newest technologies and systems to make digital manufacturing Ireland. It's a best-in-class, fully automated manufacturing facility in Limerick. Robots and production lines all operate seamlessly, from order to fulfillment to dispatch, to illustrate how digital technology is revolutionising manufacturing. To look at it from the outside, it appears deceptively simple, but to achieve that level of efficiency is, of course, complex, and we needed a tool that could tie a lot of it together. Something able to handle communication within systems and operators and collate and monitor reporting to fully optimise and gain maximum output, really affecting the KPIs. Syspro is that tool.
Syspro is an ERP, enterprise resource planning software, which specialises in building solutions for manufacturers. You can use it on a computer, iPad, large display or remotely, which was essential to the DMI as they wanted to build a factory that was paperless.
The first thing to say is that it is brilliant at integrating with other systems. For example, the Aprol system from B&R, which orchestrates the work that the actual robotic machinery carries out. It integrates to communicate across systems using OPC UA protocols, and that's two-way. It makes smart factories a reality. The DMI gained an overview of the physical factory's operations with Syspro. It follows the order from end to end. The customer makes an order, Syspro takes payment and produces an invoice. In the case of this demonstration facility, a bot will handle a lot of the back-end administration tasks. When production is scheduled on the advanced planner, the order automatically gets checked against stock levels and adjusts stock accordingly in the system. That then transitions to the manufacturing operations management system, where Syspro communicates with the bots on the production line to ensure it's carried out efficiently. It monitors rejects. For example, we were filling vials, the robots would carry out the filling and then fit an accordingly coloured cap. If the system was failing and the caps weren't appropriately fitted, Syspro logs them as rejects and schedules maintenance automatically. This saves time because it means we no longer need a maintenance planner to come in. Not only that, but it also automatically reroutes the work until that machine is back up and running, so we don't lose efficiency. It then monitors the dispatch and delivery of the product and makes sure all stock taking, ordering and reporting is carried out and easily accessible. We then have an overview of downtime, so we know when the factory is most productive and where it could improve. It has a great suite of scheduling and planning tools to ensure we're most productive.
A cool feature is that it uses integrated AI to predict order patterns, scale productions up and down accordingly. There's a host of AI-powered modeling tools that, by building a digital twin of the facility, shows us where maximum efficiencies will be manifested.
Amongst all the software I looked at when we began, Syspro was the one that stood out as an ERP that understood the manufacturing process and can integrate easily with all the other systems. So by building this facility for the DMI, with Syspro at the heart of it, we've brought to life how digital automation can save time and cost. I can't speak highly enough about it.